All right, we are back with a live. Well, no. Shit, messaged it up already. We're back with a trade recap video. Okay, it's been a minute, but we got cooked for 380 today trading the NQ today micro contracts today. So let's get right into it. Let me see real quick. Coming to the daily, we all know tariffs has been raping us all. Okay, but coming into the daily time frame wise right here for you, I did mark out this imbalance right here for you, and then also 4 hour time frame wise, I was looking to take out this high right here, or if we wanted, I want to see lower price action all the way down to these lows, which ended up getting hit. We're not going to talk about it. I wanted when I saw this and I had the notification on my phone to crash out. But literally every single load that I marked out, besides these two right here, which are for like Friday and Thursday, which I definitely know Friday, Thursday we're gonna hit. But let's talk about the setup, okay? So came in this morning, 8:30. Let me see. Came in this morning right here, 8:30 opens right there. 9:30 right here. We trade into this imbalance on the 15-minute. That really gave me my confluence because on the 5-minute we're literally just ranging and price action. So like right here, we did have no five. We did have a break structure already pre-market. So 9:30 open, we came back down into that 15-minute imbalance right here. And from that 15-minute imbalance right here 9:30 open, we broke structure to the downside. And we broke structure to the upside right here. And then I'm not gonna lie, man, I had put in this SMT right here. So this high got taken out by NQ, and then on ES. Yes, right here. Let me see. Um, on ES right here. This high didn't get taken right here. So I really I'll say, okay, we want to go short. That was really my confirmation right there. I'm not gonna lie. I entered off that FEG right there, and then stops were above this high right here on that wick. Got stopped out quick, immediate for $350. I did over leverage on this trade. I'm not gonna lie, which I have been doing a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, because I did over leverage on the trade last week where I lost $580, $580 or $20. No, it was $520.74. This one was $380 and some change right here for you. But yeah, this loss was bad. I'm not gonna lie, like this loss was bad. And the thing is, right? I was stuck between bias. Like I wanted to go bullish. Also, just because I wanted to see the market like go down lower. So I'm thinking, okay, but all right, we got this. We invalidated this FG right here. We put an SMT in. This right here, I want to put shorts right here, stuff right there, and then just see prices go low. But that shit did not happen. My first actual setup was actually right here. So off the 15-minute imbalance right here. Off the 15-minute imbalance right here, we traded back into that imbalance on the 1 minute. I did like to see. I didn't enter on this one because we weren't in the macro. When we entered the macro, we literally dipped down into this right here, and I was like, no shot. We go higher off that. So honestly, my other trade was going to be like something like this, but I was stuck between bias, which is going to be that FEG right there. And then my stops were going to be like literally like stops were going to be either right here, really tight stop loss. And my TP was this high right here, which honestly for 1 to 6.45, I would have got that early. I'm not gonna lie. Like as much as I was risking like 350. So if I risked 350 on this and it was gonna be a done deal. I was gonna get out early for that one. And then the crazy thing is that ES literally it's the exact same thing. SMT right there, it traded right there back into this fair value gap right here. Stops were going to be like right there below the low. And ES actually went higher into that FEG because on ES, the market really dipped after it came into this 4 hour inbound. I think it's a 4 hour. Yeah, it was a 4 hour overlapping with a daily. Yes, it was a daily and then overlapping with the 4 hour right there for you. And also we got the hourly sweep of liquidity right there. And yeah, it was all she wrote after that. I've seen a guy literally make like 10K, 20K on the dips because the market has literally like what? Just today by itself dropped 7.10% on open. How much did it go up? At least by, let me see real quick. We had a big retracement. No, we didn't. I lied. That shit was 1.4%. Never mind. I fucking lied. Yeah, it was bad. Yeah, honestly, the day would have been better if I just didn't risk that much. Like I was gonna be okay with the loss, but I just risked a lot, which I need to really stop over risking on a lot of these trades and just ease back into it. Because last month the record was what 7-2. I won 7 trades and I lost 2 of them. And most of those trades were banger trades. They were like 1-3s, 1-4. I hit a 1-6. But the camera went on. So y'all can believe me if y'all don't believe me. But I do have all the evidence in my Ninja Trader account. So if you guys want to see that, I'll definitely show proof of that right there. 7 wins, 2 losses. That was a really good month. I'm not gonna lie, that month was really good. Right now we are 1-2, 1-2 for this month. So okay, the month just started, man. We still have a lot more days. I know I'm not gonna be probably trading tomorrow, because we do have unemployment claims, and then we also do have what else? I think we had NFP. Let me check real quick and pause. Let me just check if we have. Let me see. Okay, yeah, Trump spoke today. Let me see. What do we have today? We have. Okay, so Wednesday we have FOMC meeting. So, oh yeah, so I'll definitely be trading tomorrow. Oh no, on Thursday we have CPI core CPI 8:30 open. So I might be trading that just depending on if I see the market, if I see a good setup, definitely de-risking on that. And then Friday we do have PPI and core PPI, which is not too major. We do have red photo news. Man, I got hiccups. So let me see. Put it right here real quick. Yeah, so we do have core PPI, everything like that. Friday, I won't be trading before 10 a.m. just because they're red folder news wise. So I'm just gonna be on the lookout for that one. And I just want to let everybody know I am not a financial advisor. I'm a dumbass. Do not do what I do because over leverage. I get out of good trades too early. The market dipped on this one trade that I took last month, and it dropped like I think at least 500 to 600 pips. It was horrible. It was like it was well ticks because you're doing e-minis and shit like that. But pips, I'm so used to forex, but it dropped a lot. Like that shit was insane. Last month was really good month. Hopefully this will be a good month, and I'll continue to drop more videos. I'll try to do more live videos. I'll do more live videos, and then trade recaps are going to be every single day. Unless I don't take a trade, I'll just still talk about my thoughts about the market and everything like that right there for you.